Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By now you must already know that we are relocating, and I've been doing some background work all this while and I've not been filming, but I just thought to take you guys along on this journey with me. So here's a little backstory. I already got most of the things that we'll be needing, though I have a few things left, and that is some foodstuffs from my mom and some from my mother-in-law. And I also ordered a few things from IT Fields. She's based in Ujo, Akwa Ibom State, so I'll be expecting those ones. But while those ones get here, I would be packing the available ones, and I don't even know where to start from, honestly. I have these books, I have a few toiletries down here, I have them. There's this bag, and this is medication. Everywhere is just littered with the load, so hopefully today I should start packing, and I'd like to take you guys along travel. If you want to know, I'm actually sitting on one of the bags. Wait, am I sure there's nothing that can break in this bag? I'm sitting on one of the bags. So here's the bag, and I got these bags. I got about three of these bags, and this big one that I'm sitting on, I'll be using this big one for our clothes and all of that, and this other ones I'll be using them for the foodstuffs. Also this big box, I'm using this big box for toiletries, shoes, medications. This is a set of 3. This is the other one, and those other 2 will be hand luggage. I also got this backpack. I got this backpack and a few things. Document folder. I got this document folder. So once I start packing, I'll take you guys along. I really do not want to get to a new country and start looking for where to get palm oil, so I made sure to travel with at least 5 liters of palm oil, something to start with, you know, and I'm glad I did. Also for these beans, I traveled with about 10 kg or if no more, I traveled with about 10 kg of beans. If you know my family, if you know my household very well, you know we love to eat beans. And did I tell you guys that we also traveled with plantain? Make sure to fry the plantain because the city will be relocating to, there are basically no much immigrants there, and definitely there wouldn't be African store. So I decided to go with everything we'll be needing to settle down, at least for the first few weeks or even months. Kindly ignore the darkness of the room and focus on the content, because there's obviously a lot going on in the room as we are trying to declutter and pack our travel luggages. Number 1 packing tips is to group your stuffs accordingly. I have my beverages and cereals packed together, and I got a few sardines, oats and cornflakes. All of these things are being packed by my sister while I'm packing the spices and seasoning cubes. This method will actually ease the stress of settling and arranging upon getting to our final destination. I really don't want to be looking for things all over the place. So once I know that, okay, I have maybe my spices in this particular bag, I'll just go for that particular bag and get what I need. If you want me to do a comprehensive video on the list of things I traveled with, kindly notify in the comment section. I got you. Guys, I eventually packed nonsense, because tell me why I packed my son's shoes, about 2 footwears of his, into my own luggages. I mean, I've been struggling to sort this out for a very long time, and I eventually executed nonsense. Also, have I mentioned it to you guys that this 23 kg of a thing is a scam? It is nothing. It is nothing. How dare you tell me to pack all my life into 223 kg bags? It's not possible. Now I don't even know. I don't know if it is possible to travel with my board games, photo albums. Why are you people doing this to me? To loosen the whole issue, my husband cannot travel with his 5 kg Bible. Why? I know you're already thinking of suggesting the cargo option to me. Thank you, but honestly, I can't cargo now because I have a lot of expenses ahead of me and I wouldn't jeopardize them for cargo. I can always do cargo later after settling down properly, but not now. See me offloading and reloading. We try to pack these luggages to the best of our ability, but whatever will be. I even traveled with hand needles and thread. If you know how much they charge in mending clothes in the abroad, you would appreciate my effort for thinking of traveling with such. Also, for this hand luggage scale, it's very good you have them if you know you'll be traveling anytime soon. They come in really handy. You don't have to go about your whole community looking for who to borrow you scale. That way everybody will obviously know you are traveling. But get this hand luggage scale. It is not as expensive as you think. On Jumia you can get it for about 5,000 to 7,000 naira. But you see, this is very lazy. You cannot carry 23 kg bag. Very lazy. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be dishing out the remaining content soon. Bye.